5 dead swans in Knightswood Park. There is known bird flu in this park. There is signage up to stop feeding birds in such a way that causes flocking.
A million chickens have died from avian flu here in Colorado. Doctors say this is the largest outbreak the state and the U.S. has ever seen. A lab at CSU is running thousands of tests to track outbreaks across the country. Researchers there say this outbreak is different because it's affecting both wild and domestic birds. With bird migration, the virus is spreading across states, making it a lot harder to control. Most of the backyard and commercial cases are because of wild birds introducing the virus. Colorado counties are also getting reports of dead geese, which health officials warn, just if you see these, don't touch them, whether they're dead or alive.